In this video, I want to show you how to convert Excel file into a CSV file. I have this file here. You can right click on it and show properties, and you can see that clearly this is an Excel. You can see the extension here. So let me just open it and so that you can have a look at the content. So these are the content of this Excel file. So this is the file that we're going to convert into a CSV. And I'm going to show you two methods, and the first one we're going to use an Excel itself, and then the second method we're going to use an online tool. So you can find the link in the description below. So let me just click on it, then proceed. So now if you want to convert Excel into a CSV, go to File tab and then click on Save As, and then browse to where you want to save your CSV. I'm going to save it on the same location where I have the Excel file. Then I'm just going to add the name there. And then let's just say new, like that. And then the most important step is to change this file type to a CSV. So click on it, and then you can clearly tell that we have several types of CSV file. So we have this CSV UTF -8. This also CSV, but this one works the best when your CSV has special characters. Then we have this the standard CSV. This commonly used across all devices, especially on Windows. And then we have CSV for Macintosh, and then we have for MC DOS. So for today, let's just use this standard CSV. You click on that and click Save. And up here on the name of this, you can see clearly that we are now in CSV. So if I close this down, now we have two files. The first one we say is an Excel. The second one we can tell that this is a CSV. So if I right click on it and open using a notepad, you can now see that the data is clearly has comma separated. The data is comma separated. So that's the first method. The second method, we are going to use an online tool. Just open any browser. For today, I will be using Chrome, and then just search cloud convert. Type in cloud convert, but you can as well click on the link that I've just provided in the link in the description below, and then hit enter. So we are going for https://cloudconvert.com, the first link. So up here on the file converter, just on this section here, you can see convert. So here you select what you're converting from and to what format. For this case, the file itself is a spreadsheet, and it is in Excel format. We're converting it to CSV. So select spreadsheet, go to CSV, like that, and then so we need to actually, let me just close this and repeat the same process. So we said you select the file type. This is spreadsheet. You can also use convert image and all these other documents. For this case, select spreadsheet, Excel file, then CSV. We will be provided with this, you see this kind of button, select file, navigate to the location of your Excel file, and then select it. And then you can also add multiple files. Then after you're done, you'll see this convert button. You click on it. So it takes a while, then it's finished. So the moment you see this download button, green button, it indicates that your file is ready for download. So just click on it and you can see that we have downloaded the file. So let me just open up the file explorer, then go to download. So this is it, it's here, and I can right click on it and give it rename that and say cloud convert, like that. Then just right click to cut, then paste it here. So it's here. If we open it again using open with the notepad, we get the same results. So those are the two methods that you can use to convert an Excel file to a CSV file.